Alright, we have a 2013 Ford Escape here we're working on. I'm going to show you a problem that I run in to these lug nuts and how we're going to fix these. Okay, so if you have one of these Escapes, you'll notice that you have trouble getting a 19. I actually got a 3/4 that's working the best, but you have to hammer these on here because they have these type of capped lugs, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. And if you've ever tried to take one of these off, you know you have a lot of trouble with it, and then what happens is they wind up looking like this, and you have trouble getting anything to fit on them. And every one of these on here is like that. I think this one right here may be the worst. Let's see if we can. Now, we're not going to take them all off because I don't have a jack or anything, but I'm going to be replacing these. You don't really need any special tools, just a wrench, a 3/4. See, this one here is really bad. Can't get on them, can't get them torqued, can't hardly remove them. And you got to take and drive this on here to even be able to turn it and break them loose. Okay, so this is what I got. See, it's a 12 by 1.5, and I got these for $35 from Amazon. You got 20 of them, so I can replace every single one of these. Now, if you go to a parts store, you're going to be paying like $3 a piece for these things. It's going to add up in a hurry. Depending on, you know, some of them are pretty pricey. But if you notice, this is not like the other ones. This is not capped. This is a completely forged out of one piece. It's all one piece. So this is going to solve a problem. Now you want to make sure, say the compatibility, some of them have certain angles and stuff, and you want to get the right one. I'm going to leave a link to these. Let me show you this compared to the other one. Okay, so if you look at this, you know, exactly the same. The only exception is that this has this capped part. It's cheap. They either fall off or they do this. So just no good. Anytime I have a car that has these, they're nothing but problems. They spin, they slip, you can't hardly get them on and off. They're just a nightmare to even mess with. So we're going to be replacing all these with these nice new forged lug nuts. Okay, so you will probably need, like I said, a rubber mallet to be able to get your old ones off, but I'm going to just put these on, you know, one at a time, and a 3/4 fits it just fine. I'm just going to snug it up a little bit, and then after we get them all completely on, notice no problems. So we'll get them all on, and then we'll go back and we'll torque them down. Okay, and when I go to torque these, I'm going to use a 19 because a 19 actually fits these new ones just a little bit better. But as far as removal, this has worked out best for removing these capped ones. So as long as you go, take them out one at a time and snug it down, it'll be fine. You know, you want to chalk your wheels and be safe with anything that you're doing. So for this next one, we're going to need to drive. So we're going to have to do this to probably every one of them because they're not going to come off easily. And as they get stuck, before you completely remove the lug, wiggle that socket. Okay, so this is the last one on this wheel. And we just got three more wheels to go. We'll go ahead and snug this last one up. All we want is them good and snug, and then we'll get our torque wrench over here and torque them down. Okay, so now I switched over to my 19mm. Like I said, it fits it more snug. Don't want to mess up my new. So we got this set to 100 foot-pounds. I'm going to start torquing them down in like a star pattern. And now I can actually torque these without having it slip. And readjust it, and just like I said, it's a nightmare to do with those capped nuts. Alright, so we double checked all those are good. So now we just got to do the other wheels. Alright, and now most importantly, to throw these right in the trash. Alright, so that's going to do it on this video on replacing these lugs. I'm going to leave a link in the description to where I got these. So for $35 you can replace all these lug nuts and not have to hassle with them anymore. So if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you wish. As always, I invite you to subscribe, and I thank you for watching.